Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today's episode is the first episode of new series where I'm going to show you some useful crypto tools and how to use them and what you can do with them. And remember that in the description of every video you will find link to our Telegram groups, so I invite you to join the discussion over there. And now let's start. Today I'm going to show you a very useful tool in checking how much did we spend for transaction fees. So if you have some wallets on Ethereum mainnet and you wonder how much did you spend on gas until now, after watching this video you will be able to check it. And the tool I'm going to present to you is called fees.wtf. So just go to fees.wtf website, and then over here you will see how much you've spent on gas, what is the value of all the transaction fees you've paid. But let me show you how it's gonna look after I connect my wallet to this website. So make sure you have MetaMask installed, and then all you need to do is refresh this page, and as soon as you do this, MetaMask window should pop up and we will be able to connect our wallet. So once you connect the wallet, you will see that, for example, you've spent 0.024 Ethereum and right now that's worth $77. Have in mind that this is a fresh wallet, I only made 3 transactions over here, so this amount is quite low. I believe that some of you may have spent few $100s, few thousand, or even few $100,000 on fees. So this is the easiest way of checking it. You can also see down here how much gas you've used, how many transactions you've sent, what was the average GUI price, and how many of your transactions failed, and how much those failed transactions cost you. So I find this website very useful to see how much you've spent on gas, how much did it cost you. So as you can see on my fresh account, I've spent $77 on gas. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about this tool and how much did you spend on gas. And that would be it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.